Thank you for taking an interest in TYGAR landscape curbing equipment. We talked to several of you guys that would like to come out to a demo but just can't make it to a location. So we decided to put a demo on video. So let's go out back to show you the equipment and we'll show you a basic curb mix. Okay, so here are our basic ingredients for curbing. First we start with sand, which what you're looking for is a coarse granule sand with no rock in it. When you come to training, we'll actually give you a sample of it to take home so you can check your local area for the best sand you got. Next thing that's going to go in the mix is actually fiber mesh. The fiber we use is actually made from nylon, which actually accepts color. So any fiber that comes out the surface of your curb will be the same color of the curb, so it's less noticeable. Also with the nylon, you can get the full recommended amount of fiber into your mix as opposed to the polycarbonate, which ultimately gives you a stronger curb. The next thing that goes in is our TYGAR color, which we have. You can buy it in a 25-pound case, which comes out and weighed out in 1-pound bags. So this bag is enough for one batch, so you don't have to measure any color. You can just pour this straight into the mixer and get a consistent color. The next thing that will go into the batch is your Portland. The Portland we use is just Quickcrete, so we get it straight from our local Home Depot here. We use Portland Type 1-2, and you might also notice that this is a 47-pound bag, which is the appropriate amount for one batch of curb. The next product we have on the end here is Effligard. Effligard actually neutralizes salts in the mix to keep the salts from depositing on the surface, making your curb turn white. So in essence, it makes your curb more vibrant in color, but it also adds an extra workability to your curb as well. Over here on the end, we got 3 other products that are commonly used in curbing, although they're not what you call the core ingredients. The first one here is a slow set, which actually slows down the set time, giving you more time to work the curb. Extremely helpful in summertime. The next one is a troweling aid. It's called Curb Sheen. You spray it onto the surface of your curb, helping you get more hydration and a slicker finish. And the last one is cable. You can actually run cable straight through the center of the curb to add more strength. And that covers your ingredients for curbing.
Yep.
Okay, this is our Sod Cutter here. A very simple machine to operate. Basically, you have a throttle control, just controlling your speed, and you have a depth control here. By cranking this down, you control how deep you go, and you can tell by these little sight lines on your depth. So this is the curb machine here. What we're doing right now is extruding concrete. Basic adjustment on this machine is you got 2 jacks here. This controls the right side, this controls the left side. I'm mainly just trying to keep the machine even. The other thing I'm trying to do is keep the machine to the right pitch by adjusting both. So I can go up with both, which eventually lays higher curb, or I can go down if I want to lay a lower curb. That's all there is to it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trowel the curb. Any imperfections that's left behind by the machine, I have fixed with a trowel. Each shaped curb has its own full trowel. So all I'm going to do is hook this onto the curb and slick it out. Now, this is where the fun comes in. We're going to take this boring curb and we're going to add some pattern to it. This is a pattern roller, and all I'm going to do is dip this in release powder, place it on my curb, and roll the pattern into the wet concrete. Now this is a hand stamp. What we're going to do here is actually create a horizontal brick, what we call running bond. Same type method. I'm going to dip it in the powder, place it on the curb, knock my pattern in, and keep going. This is just the tip of the iceberg as far as what you can do to decorate your curb. Of course, we show you the full range of stuff you can do in training. But give us a call, and we'll be glad to help you out with some more technical stuff. One of the final things we do is we're going to seal the curb. The sealer is what's going to lock the release powders onto the surface of this curb for the lifetime. That concludes our short demo here. When you buy the equipment, we put you through a full two-day training class. As a leader of the industry, we keep coming up with new ways for our curbers to make money with it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us or visit our website. Thank you.